much as it is theirs. Empower us to be bold participants rather than silent bystanders. May each of us become a protector for those without protection, a guide for those who have lost their way, a safe haven for those in danger, a lamp for those without light. Amen. Please remain standing for the Philippine National Anthem. The Daloy Dance Company, Mutya ng Taguig 2015! Ladies and gentlemen, Taguig City Mayor, the Honorable Laarni L. Cayetano.
A blessed evening to each and everyone. Parinig na mga konsehal ng bayan. Let us all give them also a big round of applause. To the panel of the Board of Judges headed by the ever-talented institution in the fashion industry, our chairman of sa inyong pagpapaunlak sa amin pong imbitasyon. Most especially to the beautiful ladies, the candidates of this year. Once again, the coronation night is the much anticipated moment of every beauty queen. Tonight, we'll not just witness beautiful faces, but a brave representation of character. Sa gabing ito, hindi lang tayo nagdiriwang ng kagandahan, sa taong ito, kundi nagpapasalamat din po tayo sa ating mayamang nakaraan. Nagpapasalamat sa nakaraan habang buong tapang na humaharap sa kinabukasan. My dear ladies, dear candidates, may mensahe lang akong gustong ibigay sa inyong lahat. To bear the crown in your head is not the main aim of this pageant. Remember, Amutya is a picture of all the empowered women of Taguig. At gusto ko lang sabihin na ang tunay na mutya ng Taguig. Kaya nga po sa gabing ito, habang tayo ay may entertain ng isang napakagandang patimpalak, nais kong ilagay sa isip at puso ng bawat Taguigenyo kung ano ang kinabukasang naghihintay sa atin bilang isang patuloy ang ating pagsusumikap at nalalapit na, abot kamay na ang mga pinakahihintay nating tagumpay para sa mahal nating lungsod ng Taguig. Once again, to all of you, a beautiful evening. Pagpalain tayo ng Panginoon and enjoy the rest of the evening. Mabuhay ang lungsod ng Taguig. Maligayang pagdiriwang ng pagkakatatag ng Taguig. Maraming salamat po.
Lani Cayetano. And now, ladies and gentlemen, your hosts for the evening, model, host, and...
That's right, Rich. But before we get started, first we get to meet each one of the candidates. Look at the big screen. Here they are.
Are they beautiful? Ang daming fans! Ngayon pala, maraming fans.
Straight, as we mentioned earlier, our candidates were already part of a pre-pageant at Talent Night held right here on April 18th. During that
All right.
Okay.
Shall we move to the side as we announce our winner?
Please look at the screen. Candidate number 3, Christina Desbaro. Congratulations, candidate number 3.
And thank you, of course, to Councilor Labamba and Councilor Suman. And next special award is for Miss Photogenic. Alright? Dito sa Miss Photogenic, malalaman natin yung favorite ng ating cameraman. Diba? Yung pinakamaganda sa photo. Sino kaya ang mananalo? Makikita natin ang photo ng mga candidates na hawak-hawak ng kanilang mga fans.
Alright. So, ang maganda dito, the winner of this award is traditionally chosen by media practitioners covering the event and is given to the candidate who photographs well, who looks great in photographs from any angle. So kahit saan, kahit anong lighting, maganda siya. The camera loves her.
And for Musiana Taguig 2015, the man behind the camera was Pageant's official photographer, Michael Palarme of Chromatos. Thank you, Michael, for all the great photos you have taken of our candidates.
Now we'd like to call on Councilor Darwin Igay and Councilor Rick Paul Jordan to join us on stage to present this prestigious award.
And also we're going to have Councilor Carlito Ogalinola joining us on stage for this very special award.
Daming suspense dito, Grace.
Do we have a drum roll for our second award of the night? Agad-agad, live drum. Napaka-cooperative ng audience natin, no?
Prepared sila, Grace.
Oh. He is candidate number 27.
Castro Bay Arbiol, Barangay San Miguel. Congratulations, candidate number 27.
Wow, beautiful. Again, candidate number 27, Castro Bay Arbiol. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, Councilor Igay and Councilor Jordan. Our next two awards are for Miss Talent and Best in Swimsuit. Again, one of my favorites. Now,
Of Sena and model, actor, athlete, and 1990 Binibining Pilipinas Universe, Miss Jem Padilla Thomas.
very distinguished panel, no? The winner of Miss Talent was judged according to the following criteria. 30% for technical skill level, 25% for interpretive ability, 20% for stage presence, 10% for totality of all elements, and lastly, this is where you help, 15% for audience impact. So, importante talaga yung impact nyo.
15% din yun, malaki-laki nila.
Luigi Canoe Cruz, Barangay Wawa. Candidate number 18, Luigi Canoe Cruz. Galing!
Best in talent and best in swimsuit.
Representing Barangay Wawa. Barangay San Miguel, diba? Barangay Wawa. Saan ba yung mga tao taga Barangay Wawa? Representing Barangay Wawa, Miss Editor Luigi Canoe Cruz. Galing, galing.
Number 2 on that list is from Barangay South Langhari, Sarah J. Galino.
Tamang time. All right. Candidate number 12, representing Western Bigutan, Miss Crisolita S. Ringor.
Next we have from Barangay Ligintipan, Sarah Mangosta.
Representing New Lower Bigutan, Miss Paula May S. Mamomo.
And from Barangay Cardana, Jenny G. Escultura.
have one last candidate joining the top 10 here on stage.
Ito na, ito na.